Hey YouTubers, don't you think there's enough ranting and raving on YouTube? Let's do something different like rest and recreation with a little bit of love and talk about a handful of companies that I really like doing business with. And I think you will too. Okay, so this channel has a lot of different subjects, doesn't it? A little bit of ADHD. People say I'm all over the map. And maybe I am all over the map. I don't know. But don't you think that's okay sometimes? I do. So we can have a little fun, but we can get serious too. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, on the ham radio side, I'm going to recommend DX Engineering. They've been great. As you know, I'm working on the AA02 project, and I bought one of those, and the price went down about a week later, and I emailed them, and bang, instant refund. Good people, good prices, good range of products. They ship fast. I highly recommend them. And some of you know I'm retired and I got three of my main toys, a CNC machine, a laser etcher, and a 3D printer. So, in no particular order, not being paid for any of these reviews from anybody or compensated any way, just people I like doing business with. So we got Bob's CNC machine. Okay, this is built out of wood, laser cut by him, and took a while to put the wooden pieces together, but it was probably about at least $500 cheaper than anything else I looked at there. But it was about $500 cheaper than anything else. It had it for about 2.5 years, and I love it. It works great, and it's a whole lot of fun. And you can see by the googly eyes, even the CNC is happy. But when you have a CNC, you gotta get wood. So where do I get my wood? Well, I get a lot of scraps for free from Home Depot. And sometimes I see things on the internet. I picked up some scrap wood from people that remodeled kitchens and stuff like that. So there's a lot of free wood out there. But I learned a lot from IDC Woodcraft. And I bought the Beast Bit, and it's been really nice. So I highly recommend some of the interesting bits that he has, and they'll save you some wear and tear on your CNC, and they'll get the job cut a little bit faster. I also have a Laser Master 2, and that's my main 15-watt CNC etcher, mainly etching wood. MDF etch is really nice. And I have a Prusa 3D printer, which I highly recommend. So those I have a Prusa Mini Plus. It's great. And when you have a printer, you gotta get filament. So where do you get filament? Ziltech. Okay, Ziltech is a company out in Texas, and it's a combination of initials between the owner, his name, and his wife's name, and ZYL Tech. So they're not trying to be first in alphabetical order, obviously, but they're first in customer service, fast shipping, great prices, nice discount sales here and there, and just all around good people, good products. I print most of my stuff with PETG, but if you're looking to try some new samples of something, they will sell you for a couple bucks. You can get a few feet, meters, whatever it is, $2-3. You get some samples and you can try it out, and you don't have to spend money for a whole roll if you're not sure if you want PLA Plus or PETG or TPU or whatever. And they also have material data sheets online too. Well, not online, you have to ask for those. So, but good stuff, man. Check them out. And I do some coding, right? Retired software engineer. Well, I recommend Edit Plus. Okay. It's my main go-to editor. Been using it for years, $35. It's a great deal. I like it a lot. I wish it did one thing, but that's just me, and I won't tell you what that one thing is because it's not a big deal, because it does so many more great things. All right, so we got QR codes for all these things online. You could just freeze those frames and grab the QR codes. Again, DX Engineering, Bob's CNC, IDC Woodcraft, and Prusa, and Ziltech, and Edit Plus. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up and a like. As always, thank you for the subscribers that are watching this.